In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we make $6,500 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing every single month just by using free traffic from YouTube. I'm gonna share with you guys my methods, my strategies that helped me to start earning this commission every single month, and so much more. Just make sure to watch this video until the end, and if you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can't start making commissions like this, okay? I made this commission just in the last month, from the first day of July until the last day of July 31, $6,500 in commission. This is my summary, this is my commissions, my bounties, and so on, okay? So for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Scroll down and click on this link over here, Amazon.com Associate Central. Okay, this one. You will be directly in this sign up process page. Click on sign up and you will be in this page again. Click over here on create your Amazon account. And here you go. All you have to do, you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account. And that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon Associate. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good product that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. So how we can choose good products? So all you have to do, you just need to go to your YouTube homepage and click over here on the search and ask question. You can ask any question. So for example, for me, I asked YouTube best microphones for YouTube videos, for example, okay? And I found that a lot of people are already using this method. They are promoting those Amazon products on YouTube using this method that I will share with you guys. You can see this channel is a big channel with 3 million subscribers, is promoting Amazon affiliate links, okay, using YouTube. So if we open this, if we click on this video, we will be directly in this video like this. If we guys scroll down and if we go to the description of this video, we guys can see we have an affiliate links here. Those are Amazon affiliate links. Let's check, for example, the first one. Let's see. And here you go. Like I told you guys, you guys can see this is an Amazon product, and this person is promoting this Amazon product as an affiliate. You guys can see this, okay? So it's an Amazon affiliate link, and they have a lot. If we go like this one, let's check the second one so you guys can make sure, okay? This method is working. I will show you guys how we can do it. You guys can see this is another Amazon product, and this YouTuber is promoting this product on his YouTube channel, okay? You guys can see, and that's it. You guys, did you know that this one single video that got over 200k views, this video has made a lot of commissions for this YouTuber, okay, just by promoting those Amazon affiliate links here. It's super easy. So I will promote the same product like this one, best microphones for YouTube videos. So what you need to do next, you need to copy this keyword and go to your Amazon account, okay? Just go to your Amazon account, open Amazon, go to Google, search for Amazon. After you finish your sign up process to Amazon affiliate marketing account, you will go back to Google and you will search for Amazon. Click on the first link. This will be your home page. Click over here on the search and search for microphone for YouTube videos, okay? Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of microphones here and about that people can use to create content for YouTube, okay? So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, okay? So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check this product, they will check the reviews of people who already paid for this product. If this seller has good reviews and this product is good product, people will buy also this product from you and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. Like this one has 6,000 reviews and it's a really good. This one is good. I'm going to click on this one. So just click on the product that you want to use. Okay, you will be directly in this product page. You guys can see here, scroll down, you have here pictures, but we have here also videos. Click on videos. Just click on videos and let me show you. It's super easy. And you will be directly in this page over here like this. Okay, so what you will do next, guys, is you will scroll down here and go to related videos for this product, and that's what we need exactly. We will click on the first video. I'm gonna click on this one. Like this person is talking about this product, as you can see.
So today I'm going to be reviewing the Besta lavalier Bluetooth microphones. So if you're like me and you'd like to...
The person is explaining the benefits of this product. So what you will do next, guys, you will click here on full screen. Click on full screen and record this video. Okay, turn your screen recording on and record this video like this.
Make sure I went with like a Bluetooth type of microphone.
So you will just record this video. I already... So let me stop this.
So exactly what they sound like, so you can figure out if this is something that you want.
So I already recorded this video, guys. Okay, so what you will do next is, after you record this video from Amazon, go to Google and use your email address to sign up, and that's it, and it's for free. And click here on video. You should see video here. Click on video and you will be directly in this page. All you have to do, click on upload, click on upload file, and you just need to upload the video that you recorded from Amazon, this one. Okay,
so if you're like me and you'd like to create content
like this one, click on open and your video will be over here. Click on your video and your video will be over here like this. Click on this.
So if you're like me,
click on this 3 points and click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use for your YouTube videos. So for example, for this video, I'm going to use this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use, and your text will be in the front of your video like this. Okay, click, I'm going to delete this second one, and they will decrease the font size of this text, and they will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. So I will put my Amazon affiliate link in my description, in my YouTube description, like people are doing. Okay, I will click here on elements and they will scroll down and they will choose, let me show you. I'm gonna choose, for example, you guys can just scroll down, go to sheeps and choose this one. Just click on this sheep and it's gonna be here. Click on color and click on choose black color and put this sheep behind your text like this. Super easy and simple. You guys can see, and here you go. Your video will be like this. Let's check.
So if you're like me and you like to create content, you like to do podcasts, you like to do interviews, you want to make sure you have that really crisp.
So what you will do next, guys, after you finish editing your video, you guys can click here on share and click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel. It's for free. It's gonna take just 1 minute. Start upload this video to your YouTube channel and upload this video as Creative Commons, like those channels here, and put this title: best microphones for YouTube videos. Like this one, you can use like this title. Get ideas from those people who are using those titles like this. Okay, and go back to this Amazon product page. that you want to promote his product. And you guys, if you already create your Amazon affiliate account, you should see this bar over here, Amazon Associate Site Stripe. So just click on text and copy your affiliate link and put this affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. It's a really super easy and easy business that you guys can start with free traffic and without investing any money in paid ads. And that's it. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.